Hi, and welcome back. Today we'll be looking at the accommodation section of our booking systems. We're still on our website, stayanddrive.fzfdevelopers.co.zw. Here you'll find all of our booking systems. And if you've been following our series in these booking systems videos, you see that this accommodation booking system has some similarities with the car rental booking system or car reservation system that we had. And this system is ideal for anyone who has a business where they offer accommodation, whether it may be in the form of a hotel, a lodge, Airbnb, boarding house, personal house that you want to sublet to make some extra cash on the side. So this system may be for you. So let's just dive into it and see how this system works. Okay, so here we have the check-in date. Let's say we have two business people who are on a business vacation or meeting or something like that. It's just random people. Okay, so they have to select a check-in date, or even an individual. Let's say it's a business. I'm going to assume it's a business go away. So Monday, they're checking on a Monday, right? And they have to check out on Friday. Okay, so that's 4 nights. Monday to Friday, 4 nights. March 24, excuse me, to March 28. So let's just say it's 1 room, 2 adults. So that's ideal. So this is the default filter of, this is where you select the number of adults, and you can set a maximum number according to what you have on your premises. Like if you have the maximum number of rooms you have, maximum set pre-designed set of houses that you have can only accommodate maybe, let's say, a maximum of 6 adults at the same time. Like this, it's only 4. You can go up to 10. It just now depends on your premises. If you're a hotel, this can go up to 20. Maybe you have that one big room where people can just sleep, but I don't think that's normal. It's up to you. You're the business owner. I'm just your developer. Okay, so now may select children, but in this scenario, for me to get all the houses that I pre-built in this system, right, I have to leave this filter here of the guests on 1 room, 2 adults, and 0 children. This filter will return as many results as possible, rather than say children. This will eliminate some rooms, and I want you to see all the rooms that are available. And the categories, as a business owner or a hotel owner, a lodge owner, you may have different classes. These are classes, categories, classes of rooms, right? You have budget rooms, right? You have luxury rooms, mid-range rooms. You can see that the prices for these go up well, as you go down the list. Premium rooms and specialty rooms. So I'm just going to leave this as any, and to return, the goal is to return as many results as possible, right? So we're going to search and filter with these parameters set. Okay, search from returned. And we have the check-in date, 24, like we said, 4 nights, 2 adults. And in those classes, I think the standard double is in that basic or the budget rooms. I can't remember clearly, but this is what, like, this is in the, if you click this, if you view more information on this, you'll be able to see which category or which class this room is in. And because we're not an accommodation business, we actually don't have these rooms. This is a concept website. Remember, forgot to say that in the beginning. But if you've made it to this part of the video, thank you. And I'm going to say this now. This is a concept website. These rooms are not actually there. This is just a sample website where you find sample pictures. And if you actually filter these, if you actually scroll past these pictures, you see this is not the same room. Let's see the first picture, second picture. This is actually a different room. But I was just finding rooms that can fit the description of the standard double in the basic, in the budget room class, right? So you see these pictures are not of the same room. So these are just random pictures off of the internet, just to make that, just to provide the ability for me to show you what I'll be meaning in this website and give the website a structure. Okay, so we have these rooms. You can see that these rooms go up in price. So they go up in a class as you scroll down the list, right? So by default, the first rooms that are suggested to the user are the budget rooms, going down to the premium luxury rooms, right? So you may see presidential suite at the end. And you see the features increase as we go down the list. So if we go back to the standard double, you see it's a comfortable double room for friends or couples, offering great value. Okay, so we have 4 features: Wi-Fi, air conditioning, bathroom, and like every other room on this system or this website, there's disabled facilities to cater for everyone, right? Now let's go down to the presidential suite. We have all those features plus more. We have a TV now. Air conditioning was there, bathroom. Now we have a minibar. We have pets allowed, disabled facilities to cater for everyone, We have in-room safe, like a safe where you can keep your valuables. This is a presidential suite now. We have what's this? We have laundry services, and we have an extra double bed and 2 single beds. This is the presidential suite. So let's just say we're going to select the honeymoon suite. Okay, let's just select this and wait for the results to come back. Okay, results are returned. Honeymoon suite, description, a beautiful decorated suite with a king bed, private terrace, a luxurious bathroom with a rain shower, perfect for special occasions. 250 bucks a night. Pricing, huh? Okay, so the features, that's there. And now we'll go back to the pricing categories. People who have rental businesses, I think you understand what I'm talking about here. Basic rate, standard rate. And if you don't understand, it's fine. You can just go search up these things. We have AI nowadays now, and we can just search up this basic rates and standard rates and premium rates. These are different rates provided by rental businesses. Whether it's a car, it's a hotel, whatever it is, for you to book. Theirs have different features. The basic rate is non-refundable rate. If you book and you pay, you have to come and stay in the room. If you don't want to stay, you don't get your money back. Standard rate, breakfast included, and free cancellation. Right now, you can cancel and get back your money. Premium rate. And you see the difference is not that much. This is like the same, how can I explain it? This is the same system that they use in booking flights, right? So the refundable prices and non-refundable prices. So now we have the premium rate, breakfast included, refundable up to 7 days before arrival, and it's a bit more pricey. So let's just say we're in the honeymoon suite and we're going to use standard rate and we're going to book. Waiting to be taken to the sign-up form. I think, yeah. So here we already signed into account. So my apologies for that. I was just testing this system before I recorded this video, so you do not get the opportunity to view the sign up process, but it's just a normal process that, like signing up into a website or a system, and your details can be saved locally in your browser and all that. So you can see here pre-filled details because I was just testing this out. So this is the details I was using to test out Lucky, so the video will be shorter. But if you want to see the sign up process, you can view the other video, the previous video before this one, for the car rental. The sign up process is shown and is similar to this. So now everything is shown. FZF developers, now we have to put our number, and mind you, this is our actual number if you want to get in touch with us. 078 072 4414. This is our email. But here, for our actual email, this was a typo, but this is the account I created. For our actual email, you have a Z. Our email is FZF developers with a Z, not an S. So just for the sake of this, I'm going to bring back the S because this is the account I had already created. You can see that on state or province, we have nothing here for Zimbabwe, for the pre-made provinces. But if you move to states, these are countries within other countries, right? Like America, we have, what do you call them? Texas, Kansas. Let's go to the United States and see what I'm talking about. So let's go to the United Kingdom. These are countries, not cities like the United States. United Kingdom. Oh, you see? England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. These are states. This is the way we configured it for states. Okay. So VAT is not a necessary requirement. So the form, the fields with this asterisks are the crucial fields, you have to fill in. So agree to the terms and conditions. Let me just and confirm my reservation for this room. I hope, yeah. So your booking confirmed at FZF Developers Hotel. Because this is a sample website, this is called FZF Developers Hotel after our company. Okay, so booking confirmed. We have the booking details, booking date, everything that you did, all your booking details summary. So everything, the honeymoon suite, standard rate. So the booking has been confirmed. After the booking has been confirmed, now from the end of the business, someone from the end of the business will get in touch with you with through the details you provided. Where is that? With the number, they can get in touch with you over the phone, over the email. Remember, I said email. Actual email for FZF developers is a Z here, not an S. This was a typo, so forgive me for that. And someone from the end of the business will get in touch with you and say, hi, you made a reservation or a booking on our website for the honeymoon suite. Because these are large amounts, we prefer not to have these amounts transferred over the internet for this system for more security. The payment link will be shared by someone from the business which would be, in this case, FZF developers, accommodation, hotel, or something, right? These are high fees. These are 1,100. Imagine there's a security issue and you lose your money. So we prefer for the actual business to get in touch with you and say you made a booking on our website. We want you to pay like maybe it's 30% for you to reserve your room soon after the book. So you have to have, as a business, you have to have someone on the back end of the website working on these bookings, getting in touch with people. Also, the other thing that's challenging with this system is for the systems we have, for example, in Zimbabwe, for someone to pay this 1,100 using EcoCash, the charges and other things involved, limits, weekly limits, daily limits, other people may have exceeded these limits. So preferably, most big businesses that use accommodation systems prefer to have this done by the bank. And after a research we performed on a number of individuals, we discovered that people do not want to have large sums of money transferred over the internet. They prefer to do this in person, to have to come to your building when they check in, to swipe, or just if they're going to be sent a payment link directly by someone from the business. So this is what we're going for here. And you may notice also, like in the car rental system we did, there was no payment option. It will come in the bus ticket system here, because we don't have large figures. For example, buses is usually $10, maybe Harare to Masvingo, Blawayo to Mtare, wherever you may be going. These are smaller figures. So we offer payment gateways. So watch out for this system. Bus ticket is the most exciting system of all these four systems you have here: car rental, accommodation, and everything else. So yeah, that's the FZF developers accommodation section of the booking systems. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope you wait for the other systems, the tutorials from the perspective of the user, like we're doing. After we've completed all the four systems from the perspective of the user, we'll move on to the back end from the perspective of the business, where you can see how you'll be manipulating and managing the bookings and everything else. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.